Hey there, future Warren Buffetts. Ever dreamt of making it big in the stock market but felt overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of it all? Well, you're not alone. Many people find the stock market intimidating, but today, we're going to break it down and make it fun. Ever feel like the stock market is a giant game of roulette? You're not far off. The ups and downs can seem random, and the jargon can be confusing. But what if I told you there's a simpler way to get in on the action? Well, buckle up because binary trading is here to spice things up. Binary trading is a straightforward way to trade on the financial markets. It's all about making a simple yes or no decision. Will the price go up or down? That's it. Imagine this. You predict whether the price of gold will go up or down in the next hour. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of seeing the future, you're making an educated guess based on market trends and data. You could win a sweet 80% profit if you're right. That's right, an 80% return on your investment in just a short amount of time. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? That's binary trading in a nutshell. It's simple, it's fast, and it's accessible to everyone. You don't need a degree in finance to get started. All you need is a bit of curiosity and a willingness to learn. It's like betting on your favorite sports team, but instead of touchdowns, you're banking on market movements. Think of it as a game where you use your knowledge and intuition to make predictions. Why is it so popular? Well, for starters, it's incredibly engaging. The thrill of making a prediction and seeing it come true is unmatched. Plus, the potential for quick profits makes it very appealing. It's simple, fast-paced, and offers the potential for quick profits. You don't have to wait for months or years to see returns. With binary trading, you can see results in minutes or hours. Plus, it's way more exciting than watching paint dry, am I right? The adrenaline rush of making a trade and watching the market move in your favor is something you have to experience to believe. So, are you ready to dive into the exhilarating world of binary trading? It's a world full of opportunities and excitement. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, there's something for everyone. Let's get this show on the road. Get ready to explore, learn, and maybe even make some profits along the way. The world of binary trading is waiting for you. Are you ready to take the plunge? Alright, rookies, let's break down the jargon. Binary trading might sound complex, but it's really just about making predictions. Imagine you're at a sports game and you're betting on which team will win. Binary trading is similar, but instead of teams, you're betting on the price movement of assets like stocks, commodities, or currencies. In binary trading, you're dealing with options. These options are essentially contracts that give you the right to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. It's a straightforward yes or no proposition. Think of them as little bets. Just like rolling dice or placing a bet at a casino, you're making a prediction. Will the price go up or down? It's that simple. But remember, while it might seem like a game of chance, successful trading requires knowledge and strategy. You're basically saying, I think the price of this asset will go up or down by this time. This prediction is based on your analysis of market trends, news, and other factors. It's not just a wild guess, it's an informed decision. That time is your expiry time. The expiry time is crucial because it determines the duration of your trade. It could be as short as 60 seconds or as long as several months. The key is to choose an expiry time that aligns with your trading strategy. It's when the clock stops and we see who wins. At the expiry time, the price of the asset is compared to your prediction. If you were right, you win. If not, you lose. It's a clear-cut outcome, which is part of the appeal of binary trading. Now, the payout. That's the juicy part. The payout is the amount of money you earn if your prediction is correct. It's usually a fixed percentage of your initial investment, so you know exactly what you're playing for. It's the profit you stand to make if your prediction is right. The potential profit can be quite attractive, which is why many people are drawn to binary trading. However, it's important to remember that with high rewards come high risks. It's usually a fixed percentage, so you know exactly what you're playing for. This fixed payout structure makes it easier to manage your risk and plan your trades. You can calculate your potential profit and loss before you even place a trade. Think of it as the prize money for being a market whiz. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand the market and the factors that influence price movements, the better your chances of making successful trades. Master these basics, and you'll be well on your way to trading like a pro. Continuous learning and practice are key. Stay updated with market news, refine your strategies, and never stop improving. With dedication and the right approach, you can navigate the world of binary trading with confidence and skill. Now, let's talk strategy, folks. In the world of trading, having a well-thought-out strategy is not just an option, it's a necessity. Without a solid plan, you're essentially navigating a stormy sea without a compass. So let's dive into some key strategies that can help you succeed. You wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute, would you? Just like skydiving, trading requires preparation and the right tools to ensure a safe landing. Your strategy is your parachute, your safety net, that can help you navigate the ups and downs of the market. The same goes for trading. A solid strategy is your safety net in the volatile world of finance. Without it, you're just gambling. But with a well-crafted plan, you can turn the odds in your favor. Let's explore some strategies that can help you stay afloat and even thrive in this unpredictable environment. For beginners, trend following is a great place to start. This strategy involves identifying the general direction in which a market is moving and then making trades that align with that direction. It's a straightforward approach that can be highly effective if executed correctly. It's like riding a wave. Just as a surfer waits for the perfect wave to ride, a trend follower waits for the right market conditions to make a move. Patience and timing are crucial here. You're basically identifying an upward or downward trend and riding it till the wheels fall off, not literally, of course. The key is to stay vigilant and be ready to exit the trade when the trend shows signs of reversing. This way, you can maximize your gains while minimizing your losses. For the more seasoned traders, there's news trading. This strategy involves making trades based on news events and market-moving announcements. It's a more advanced approach that requires a keen understanding of how news impacts the market. This is where you become a news junkie, reacting to market-moving events like a hawk. Remember, patience is key. Not every piece of news will have a significant impact, so it's important to discern which events are worth trading on. This strategy can be highly profitable but also comes with its own set of risks. Don't go all in on your first trade. It's tempting to invest a large sum of money right away, but this can be a recipe for disaster. Instead, start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain more experience and confidence. Start small, learn the ropes, and watch your profits grow. By starting with smaller investments, you can test your strategies and learn from your mistakes without risking a significant amount of capital. Over time, as you become more proficient, you can scale up your investments and potentially achieve greater returns. Another important aspect of successful trading is having a well-defined trading plan. This plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and the specific strategies you will use. Having a plan in place can help you stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Stick to your plan and review it regularly. Markets are constantly changing, so it's important to adapt your strategies as needed. Regularly reviewing and updating your trading plan can help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Remember, success in trading doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of learning. But with the right strategies and a disciplined approach, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. So, gear up, stay focused, and happy trading. Section 4, Gearing Up, Tools of the Trade. In the trading game, having the right tools can make all the difference. Think of it as choosing the right golf clubs for the perfect swing. One essential tool is a reliable trading platform. It's your command center, giving you access to charts, indicators, and all the good stuff. Next up, charting software. This is your crystal ball, helping you visualize market movements and make informed decisions. Don't forget about economic calendars. These bad boys keep you in the loop about upcoming economic events that could shake things up. Remember, knowledge is power, but the right tools put you in the driver's seat. Section 5, Navigating the Trading Minefield, Risks and How to Avoid Them. Let's face it, folks, trading isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks, just like in any other investment. But hey, with a little bit of caution, you can avoid stepping on those financial landmines. One common mistake is over-trading. It's like eating too much pizza. It never ends well. Set a budget and stick to it. Another pitfall is emotional trading. Don't let fear and greed cloud your judgment. Make calculated decisions, not impulsive ones. Remember, risk management is key to long-term success. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Section 6, my trading mishap, a hilarious reality check. Alright, time for a little confession. Even seasoned pros like yours truly have made some hilarious trading blunders. I once accidentally bought 1,000 shares of a company instead of 100. Talk about a heart-stopping moment. My finger slipped, and boom, there went a big chunk of my trading capital. I learned my lesson the hard way that day. Always double-check your orders before hitting that confirm button. It's a good reminder that we all make mistakes, but it's how we learn from them that counts. Section 7, ready to trade like a pro? So there you have it, folks. The exciting world of binary trading demystified. We've covered the basics, explored strategies, and even had a good laugh at my expense. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right tools and a dash of caution, you too can master the art of binary trading. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Start small, stay disciplined, and who knows? You might just be the next trading legend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and tricks. Happy trading, everyone.